Good morning, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and day one of my breakfast recipe week. All this week, from Monday to Friday, I'm going to share with y'all some yummy Southern breakfast recipes. And I love breakfast. It's one of my favorites. I can eat it all day. So to start my breakfast week, I'm going to share with y'all a classic and a staple that we just love down here in the South. Not just for breakfast, but lunch, dinner, even for a snack. We're going to make grits. And if you're not familiar with grits, they're just ground up white harmony corn. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And these are the best grits you ever had. Every time you are craving grits, you will want to make this recipe. This will be your new favorite. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more breakfast recipes, check out my recipes playlist and my previous video, strawberry cream cheese bread. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your butter, your grits, and get your liquid boiling sugar, because we're about to cook some creamy grits magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is boil our liquid. In my medium saucepan, we're going to add in 2 cups of water. And to make the grits nice and creamy, we're going to add in 1 1/4 cups of half and half, which is half whole milk, half heavy cream. Going to cut my fire on to high, and all we do is bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, while the water and half is coming to a boil, let's measure up the grits. We need 1 cup of quick cooking grits. Perfect. And I know these are 5-minute grits, but we're going to cook them for 30 minutes. Cooking them that long will make them even more creamier. Let's check on our water and half. Our water and half has came to a boil, so now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Very important, gotta flavor those grits. Now we're going to add and slowly whisk in the grits. And that's the secret to great grits. You gotta whisk them constantly so that way our grits won't be clumpy. So now we are going to bring it back to a boil. Alright, my friends, the grits has came back to a boil, so now we're going to cover the pot, cut the fire down to simmer, and let it cook for 30 minutes. Whisk occasionally and add more water or half and half if needed. See y'all in 30 minutes. Alright, my friends, let's take a look at the grits. Oh yes, look how nice and creamy that is. That's the beauty of cooking them longer. That looks great. And there's one more thing we got to add to them, and it's a must-have in grits. Yep, the butter. We're going to add in 1/4 cup, which is a half a stick or 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and whisk it in until the butter melts. Nothing like the smell of grits cooking. Smells heavenly up in this kitchen. And that's it, my friends. Our grits are ready to serve. And I cut my fire off. As soon as the butter melts, I'll pour it into my bowl. I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I got my bowl of grits right here. There's one more thing we gotta add. Another pat of butter. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Creamy grits. Don't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a bowl and give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I got my bowl of Southern goodness right here. And of course, adding more butter. Butter and grits make them super tasty. You can add in some salt and pepper if you like. I know you ain't supposed to put sugar in grits, but that's how I like it. I grew up eating them like that, so I'm going to sprinkle on a little sugar. Love sweet grits. Going to stir it in so the butter can melt. Okie dokie, now it is time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. And it's super hot. Gotta be careful so I won't burn my mouth. Oh, it just melts in your mouth. It's buttery, creamy, and it's full of flavor. These grits are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-oh. Nice and smooth. Creamy grits-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.